Do you study for hours but forget everything in exams? Easy way to learn easily, simple and powerful ways to memorize anything fast. Do you study for hours but forget everything in exams? What if I tell you learning can be easy, fast, and stress-free? In this video, I will share easy and scientific ways to memorize anything faster, longer, without pressure. Learn in small chunking method. Our brain loves small pieces, not big chapters. Instead of 20 pages at once, do one page at a time. Do this 2-3 pages, short break, revise quickly. Small chunks is equal to strong memory. Write to remember. Active learning. Reading is passive, writing is powerful. Write keywords, make short notes, use bullet points. When you write, your brain thinks this is important. Use colors, images, and mind maps. Your brain remembers pictures more than words. Use highlighters, draw simple diagrams, create mind maps. Color plus image is equal to long-term memory. Revise smartly, spaced repetition. Most students forget because they don't revise properly. Revise after 24 hours, again after 3 days, again after 7 days. This tells your brain save this forever. Teach what you learn. Feminine technique. Explain the topic to a mirror yourself. If you can explain simply, you have truly memorized it. Sleep and breaks matter. No sleep is equal to no memory. 7 to 8 hours sleeps, 2 short breaks while studying. Emotion makes memory stronger. Dream, goal, purpose. Memory grows during rest, not stress. Motivation line powerful. You are not weak at learning. You are just using the wrong method. Start using these learning techniques today and see the difference in your memory and confidence. Like the video, share with friends, subscribe for smart study and success tips. Thank you.